President Obama arrived in Dakar yesterday evening with a delegation of 600 people, of which 100 journalists, including the First Lady, Michelle Obama, and their two daughters. The population did not come to the airport as initially planned to welcome the president. There was heavy security presence at the airport, and several main roads were sealed off. Even many hours before Obama's arrival, Senegal airspace was completely closed. On his arrival at the airport, Obama was welcomed by President Macky Sall and his government. This morning, Obama is meeting with the president of Senegal, and the meeting will be followed by a joint press conference. He will also meet with 11 regional judicial leaders at the Supreme Court around 12. They will discuss the importance of judicial power in African democracy. Then, he and the First Lady will visit the House of Slaves Museum in Gorée Island and meet with several society leaders at the Gorée Institute. In the evening, there will be an official dinner that the President of Senegal will be hosting.